Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Start with yellow yarn, a crochet hook and scissors. Today we make a yellow crochet flowers. Make a slip knot and put it on your crochet hook. Chain 6 stitches to form a loop. Slip stitch into the first chain to create a ring. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Make 15 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch into the top of the beginning chain 3 to close the round. Chain 2. This counts as your first half double crochet. Make 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. Slip stitch into the first half double crochet to close the round. Chain 2. Make 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat from 2 around. Fasten off and weave in ends. Now take another strand of yellow yarn and a yarn needle. Weave the yarn in and out of the stitches round the center of the flower. Pull tightly to gather the center. Tie a knot to secure it. Cut off any excess yarn. Next, we shall make the petals. Attach the yellow yarn to any stitch on the edge of the flower. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and make 2 double crochets all in the next stitch. Repeat from 2 around. Slip stitch into the first double crochet to close the round. Fasten off and weave in ends. Experiment with different yarn colors for unique flowers.